What's going on, Max? Sore neck? Hating life? He's woke up with a stiff neck on the second day. So, lucky we're at the ball baths. That's the ball baths.
Morning, everyone. There's the ball baths in there. So, now I've got to put my gloves on. I fucking forgot my gloves again. Fuck me. I'm all doing this all the time. Let's get this bike going. We've had a bit of a look, and we're going to just try this DC charger again to see what happens today. I'm not liking our chances, but we'll just get some charge in it and we'll see how long we can run for. Today's destination is supposedly Argathella, but if we get that far or not's another thing. Let's go. We've got 130 k's to Collarenebri, where we will get some fuel. There's the Pilliga. Bye. So we're now packing up this morning, which we didn't do because Max has got a stiff neck. We were lazy. We're probably an hour behind where we should be. So we didn't film, and yeah, it is what it is. You get that. Yeah, so we had a swim last night and all went well. It was a bit of a pensioner orgy. There was like a dozen or more in there. Everyone wanted to talk to us because we're on the bikes. Now we've got to turn off here to Morven Junction somewhere. There should be a road. I think maybe that might... No, that's not it. There should be a sign that says Morven Junction, I would think. Maybe it's after town. I don't know. We'll just keep going and have a look. But this is Pilliga. That's all you get to see. That's it. It's all over. Job done. Next town. Let's move on. I'm going to have to pull over and undo it. Fuck me. You watch. I'll undo it and everything will become fine. It's doing the thing again. It's doing the thing again. Fucking thing. Fucking kings. King's crap. Turn it off. There we go. See what I mean? See the light's gone off now? Unbelievable. Something wrong. Made it into town. Now got to find a servo. Better be a servo. Better not look like this. All shut. Seriously? Where's the servo? Oh, there's a servo. Look at that. Servo. That'll do me. I'm not pushing my luck any further than that. Oh, we made it. $2.25. $2.26 a litre.
Is that any good? Is the camera making you paranoid?
Always does. Hate cameras.
So the two bikes to
at the price of the fuel, just cost $80 to fill up. That looks like us. Go to carpet court. Get some carpet for the trailer. Okay, next stop, Mitchell. Make sure me stands up. Got my wallet. All my stuff. Yep, phone. Yep. Turn right here. Well, that was good seeing this town. We seen the Ampol, and that was it. We might get going straight past this car. Just turn around in front of him. That's not very good, Stephen. But you get that on the big jobs. There we go. 207 k's to Mitchell. This is, we're running late. We're so far behind because we're, that road we come across, if that wasn't dirt, we would be an hour in front of where we are now. But now we're running late. Plan is to try and get to Argathella. I don't like our chances. At this rate we're going, it's going to be 6 o'clock by the time we get in there, which is definitely not ideal. So we'll get a wiggle on, eh? And Mitchell, 2.25 hours. Here we come. Oh, well, here's a cool bridge. What's a dam? Oh yeah? Yeah, righto. Yeah, righto. Bit of a dam. Anyway, let's go. Where the fuck are you taking us, dude? Where are you going, Mac? I don't know where the hell are you going? Do you have any idea where you're going? No. Okay. I don't know why you didn't go up the next street and turn into Main Street.
Yeah.
Righto. Anyway, we'll get some fuel. Park over there for 5. How long to get to Argathella?
Bang on 6 o'clock.
We leave now.
180 something K.
Let's get to the next one, Morven, and work it out from there.
Yeah, but do we need to bring up?
Do we?
It's 5 o'clock, by
Did you just have a look? What, do they have a, they got a thing, like, they close at a certain time? Oh, okay. I don't know either. I don't fucking care at this point. I'm gonna have a bunger to relax for 5, and then we'll get out of here. But look, that's that place I was talking about, the swimming pool. And over there is another grey nomad orgy. Be millions of them over there. What did you find, mate?
What?
Caravan Park, Morven. We got one?
I think so.
Where? Let me have a see.
Look.
Oh yeah, we'll go there. How much? $10 a night. Powered site, $5 for just chucking the thing up. That'll do us. Morven, here we come. That big turd herder truck. Fucking stink them things. I'm gonna go over there and have a look.
The payment box is there.
What?
The payment box is over.
Yeah, but I want to go over there and have a look to see what it's like to camp over there first. So this is the $5 camping at Morven. No, that's alright. I reckon we'll just go over here. Look at these people. Just park like cunts. Everyone just parks like cunts. This will do us. But that's us, my friend. Okay, so to do this all gourmets and shit, we need some milk. It says 125 mils of milk. I reckon. Open the milk bottle. Fucking frozen. Oh. That's about 125 mils of milk, I reckon. Need some water. Says free. Says 375 mils. These little bottles. So we'll chuck in. How much are they?
350.
Are they 350 bottles? Oh yeah, that'll do. Close enough. That. Some butter. A scoop of butter. It says, I don't know how much. So we're just going to chuck a scoop in. The big chunk, I reckon. About that much. Like that. In this bad boy. And that's half the dinner underway. Like that. And we're away.
Fucking stuck to the bottom.
You dropped the lid of the butter on the ground. Plastic cheese. You get this stuff. Throw it in there.
I don't want butter on mine.
Well, you don't know why? Because the butter was fucking. Why? Because you couldn't be bothered breaking the butter up properly.
Pink monster.
One. There we go. Gourmets. Tip that out. Oh, it looks like play. Yeah, righto. Buck. Just like in a restaurant. Look at that. Awesome. What do you reckon, Max? You paid like $35 for that, eh? Fucking shit. That'll do though. 2468, bog in, don't wait. Salt. Righto, we're away.